And we are looking at amazing new Ford Nugget for the 2025 edition with a completely new van built around the new 2025 Ford Transit Custom. And we shall be looking around, getting the feel of how this looks with a 3-seater variant inside and a center middle table and the pop-up roof going all around. And being the extended longer version, you have a true Thetford cassette toilet down there with the actual extraction unit with the cassette toilet right up there, and the heating element goes all around. On this side we have an extended longer kitchen setup with the 2-cooker stove and a deep sink, and on this part there is a control touchscreen unit with additional cabinets all around. This looks pretty nice. Closing off, we have the deep cabinet right up there, and this is my standing height while standing inside the new Nugget. Rotating, we have the actual drop-down bed with the trolley system and 2 LED lights. You can get pretty nice light, and then 2 speakers on this side and a lot of cabinets for your kitchen belongings. Going down, we are looking at another pretty deep cabinet, and also on the lower part another cabinet going pretty deep. From this side, looking additional cabinet storage and additional cabinet storage right up there for your smaller items. Another kitchenware cabinet like that, and then another kitchenware cabinet right here. And the fun part, this is an actual freezer, actually fridge. It's not a freezer, it's pretty deep, about 35 liters of space, not bad for this type of vans. And then we have a curtain, additional pockets all around. We have 220 volts USB-C and a max 2x 18 watts USB port. Going on the front part, we have a bench that converts into a bed with 2 Isofix hookers on that side, and the Westfalia control light system with the Webasto heating and a vent right up there. And we shall be exiting and having the final look of the new Ford Nugget. Yep, the 2025.